Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about file handling. I'm showing an example of simple file handling where I'll be handling a text file and I'm showing the demonstration of how to write a content to the file and how to read the contents from the file. A simple example is what I'll be demonstrating. This will be an important aspect in machine learning because the data set what you have, you may use your own data set, you may take it from the Kaggle. What we get is a CSV file, comma separated value, which is a simple text file where the data, that is each column, what we call as attributes or features to be specific on machine learning. The feature values will be separated by the comma, and the programmer has to read that and eliminate the comma and take the attributes and use in the machine learning process. So here, I'll be just demonstrating on reading one line of text and writing one line of text into a file. The same thing can be replicated to any kind of ASCII file to read. So CSV file is again an ASCII file as such. You can see on the screen, the function what we use is open, then write, then open, and read. These are the three functions which I'll be demonstrating. There are other functions also that I'll take up later. Open is a function for opening the file. It takes two arguments. First argument is a file name, or to be specific, it's a path name. Path name takes as a string value. Second argument is a mode. It can be read, it can be write, it can be append. These are the standard mode values R, W, or A. I'm using the append mode. That is, if the data is already present, I want the file pointer to be moved to the last position and the text content should get added. Whereas if I use a write mode, file pointer moves to the first position, contents are erased, I'll have a new file. That is the difference between append, write, and obviously read means I don't have a write permission. That is what it means. Now looking at the syntax, this function, I'm opening a file called as demofile2.txt in an append mode, and then I'm writing. You can see that F is the file handler. Okay, so F dot write whatever I want to write something, then close. Then, if I have to do a read operation after write operation, or the vice versa, the file has to be closed and opened again. That's always a good practice. So I'm closing the file, and again I'm opening the file in the read mode, where there is a function called this f.read. F is a file handler. You can use a different file handler also. F.read returns a string value, which is the content of the file. String data is the content of the file. Additionally, in read, you can specify how many bytes have to be read. Suppose if I say 50, it means that you can read 50 bytes. So that is optional for timing. I'm just demonstrating how to read the entire content of the file. In practical situation, this is not the case. We are not reading the entire content of the file at once. We have to read part by part. Now, how much part? That is left to the programmer. How many bytes you want to read from the CSV file into the program and process it? That is left to the programmer. The programmer should know how to set that limit of how much data to be read. Whatever you read will get returned to the program. You can assign it to a string variable also, where here I am just printing it. I can also say some s is equal to f dot read, and I can print s. I can print s over here, even that is perfectly valid. Okay, This is a simple example on how to read and write the contents into a file. Okay, now I will save this and I will change my display to the my console window. Yes, my console window is here. So I will type Python 3 file2.py. Okay, there's some contents being displayed. Contents is not important. We will go back to the file and check. So I will open the gedit. Let me open the demo file. Gedit. Demo file 2. We'll open that, and actually what I'm doing is that I'm just deleting the contents. I made the file as empty. I emptied the file. Now again, I will execute this file2.py. Okay, the contents are written once. Now I will execute this once again. Remember that it is in append mode, so the contents are added. So now I am getting the contents twice. Now the contents thrice. Now when I open the file, that is if I use gedit and demo file2.txt, and if I show you that file, okay, this is how the file looks like. Because we have written it 3 times, that is once, twice till here, thrice. The contents are written thrice, that is it was in the append mode. So this example demonstrates how to read the contents from the file, how to write the contents to the file using the open function, append mode, read function, and write function. So file handling is pretty simple in Python. With 1 or 2 lines of code, I'll be able to read the contents from the file, which is very much essential in machine learning. Further, I will leave one topic as an assignment for you, is to find out how to read a part of the file. I want to read first 10 records in a file or first 50 records in a file. How to do this? That is an assignment for you to find out. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Hope the file handling becomes useful for you in machine learning and related programming. Thank you again.